Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to change touchpad cursor speed in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings window, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Now in the right pane, scroll down to touchpad and click on it. You'll find the option for cursor speed. You can increase it or decrease it as per your requirements. After this, simply close the window. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.